Wendy,
Yebo.
what is the word of the day?
The word of the day for me to you, I would like to say, be a good hairdresser. Waba a good hairdresser njengami. I say CTV lenza bukhoma.
Maggie?
Kule fridge.
Yes.
Khamba njani?
Ayigumnanzi kakhulu.
Kakhulu.
I-word of the day yami ukuthi bafade abazame ukuthi sebentela bangado khona ukuthi bahlukubedwe amadoda because esikhathini lesiningi bahlukubeta ngokuthi bayabondla, you understand? Umuntu ukuhlukubeta ngoba ukunika lipalishi. So angovuka kusasa vele into yakhe isevu but kuzama kancane ungapheli mandla. Obviously angeke uthi na uqala vele ukuthi vele, you understand, but to try lokho ke kuyazivikeleka thina sibafade ukuthi lamadoda angasihlukubeti. Okay, labanye ababahlukubeti but then esikhathini lesiningi bafade batholakala abahlukubeteka ngoba bayabondla like ayikho indzawo la batoya kuyo, you understand? Uthi yabuka lo muntu noma angabuyela ekhaya uyati ukuthi isimo sasekhaya siyabhedza, but then if you're independent, ay man, folk man.
Yes,
Folk man.
Lo folk ngathi sokhishana ngile savana nje.
Listen. It's not akusinguthi nginathi savana. Mina ngimfati and ngingumtali. I'm a single mom of 3 kids. Different baby daddies. Impilo ngiyayathi. Yabo. So uma ngabe ukuthi mina ngiya-advise, mina ngizange nga-advise. So uma ngabe ukuthi unaleli thuba lokuthi uthole mina ngak-advise, unenhlahla kakhulu. You are the chosen one.
I'm the chosen one. Thank you.
Ngayiphane ngani sisaloni bangena ama-threads lana nanoma umuntu wafaka isemende very soon
but lokho ngichaza ukuthi le semenda ngisho ngiyele kubhadalakho.
Yeah, phela ngisho vele bathi i-content yami ingcolile but the money is good.
And bathi tisila ngito letinemali yabona. Ngicela bakhombele fridge yetinsila. Ngicela siboneni lo shun wetinsila. Ngiyawubona.
And I just said, guys, I'm willing to buy a big car with a sunroof. Ngipole guys.
Ngivile. Uthi ufuna DJ, ngiyemlandelela.
I want to be a successful DJ. And then month end, I'm opening my beauty studio in my car.
Uthi ufuna kucasha 20 ladies. I'm hopeful ukuthi nami I'm one of them.
Yeah. So azameni bafati sizameni kakhulu labantu laba bangadosihlubeda ngoba umuntu ubhulela lokuthi uyagondla. Mina ushabani. Mina you cannot.
Okay.
You cannot. Like kanjani like yongishayelani. It's not like ukuthi nginiki imali stuff.
Hey siyabonga nawe
Bala
Wendy.
video.